Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to auto fit row in Excel. Okay, so if you want to auto fit row height in Excel or column width in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel, so what you have to do, here you will see I have created this table. Okay, so you will see something is some of the cells word and number are hidden. Okay, so I will show you how to auto fit this without doing one by one. Okay, like this. So what you have to do, so first you have to just select the cell. Okay, all the cell uh, you have created. Okay, then what you have to do, here you will see format option, just click on this and just press auto fit row height. Okay, select this. Then what you have to do, again you have to just go to format and auto fit column width. Okay, so like this you can auto fit row height and column width in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.